Hello, welcome to not an episode of Learning How to Code. Instead, this episode will be talking about a little piece of software that I recently built. This piece of software, all it does is it will download a YouTube video or a YouTube playlist as its audio, its video, and its mux versions at the highest quality and just put it in your computer. There's no need to use another website. There's no need to, pay or do ads or go to some, risk getting some weird stuff on your whatever. And it all works by using this library called YouTube Explode. And by using this library, I'm able to, download videos from YouTube. Now, so first and first, before you use this, if you choose to download it, you must go to where you download it and click this spot on your computer, and you want to copy this, and you want to put in CD in if you're using Windows inside of double quotations. You can use single or double quotations. Just be consistent on both sides. If you watch any of my other videos, you should understand that in this case, strings don't care. They can use single or double. And so you can see, yeah. So what this did is it changes your directory or to this location. So this will make it easier for you to do the code. And so what I'm going to do this download. And what we're downloading is a video called Tax Collector Bruno. And so let's click it and let's let it run. And you see that it changed. You see Tax Collector Bruno, and we see its audio version. Let's play the audio. Then we have his mux version, which has his audio and his video combined. And then you just have pure video, which will be the highest quality video. And like I said, if you want the highest quality version guaranteed of these files, you combine the video and the audio to create a new mux. But if you just don't feel like doing that, you can just use the mux, but it is lower quality. But it can not that it is, but it can be lower quality. And similarly, this thing can also do playlists. In this case, we're going to be using Yoshi Commits Tax Fraud, the Yoshi Commits Tax Fraud playlist. So we copy and paste it here, and we just let it run, and it just lets you see what's going on. So we started video 1, are doing video 2, and just wait for it. It's going to finish it by itself. The reason why it takes so long after finishing completing is because YouTube, if you download too many videos too quickly at the same time, YouTube will stop the code from running and kick you out. So you kind of click it one at a time, and then you wait 500, and then I make it wait 500 milliseconds before letting it continue. And so okay, it's completed. And now let's go in here, and we can see that here's some playlist info. So this gives you information on what exactly is in the playlist. So it gives you the title of the playlist as well as the creator of the playlist. Then you can go to each individual video, which will be put in their own folders. And it will, once again, it will download the audio, the mux, and then the just the pure video at the highest resolution. And it gives you the info. So you got the title, the actual creator of that specific video, as well as the description of the video. So you can if you want to re-upload it and re-upload it to some other site and make sure it's consistent and make sure you credit the creator, you can do that by just copy and pasting this. And if you're wondering what all this does, well, what's happening in here is how this actually works is that it's gonna, since we did the CD to our directory or this folder, we're able to now access this this application by typing in as you can see dot. That dot says look for a file at this specific location, which is right here. And then we click slash, and then we can just hit tab until we find the one we want. And the one we want is YouTube DwnlDr.exe. Now, if you just click enter, the code will fail as it's supposed to, but I put a nice little thing that will let you know what you were supposed to do. and it shows you the required inputs and the not required inputs. The required inputs is you must first put in the URL of the playlist or video, and then you must put in where you're going to store it. You can also put in the count. That is actually depreciated. That count, wait, no, count still works. My mistake, count is not depreciated. Count, so for example, let's say you just want to record, you just want to copy the first 5 videos. You can do that. If you want to get the first, say, first 10, first 20, you can do that. You just put in, like, you put it in the count, but you don't actually have to do it. So let me just do Yoshi commits, not Yoshi commits tax fraud. I need to find a, let's say, find something else.
Word up, Yoshi Sor Munchakupas is my name, and I'ma tell you how I beat the IRS at their own game. I lied on.
Okay, I could not find a playlist, but just, but if you were to do this, you would say 3, and let me just delete Yoshi commits tax fraud again. And so what it will do is it will just download the first 3. So 1, and just let it finish up. 2, and it's still taking some time, and then 3, and then it finishes. And now you only got the first 3, and if you go to the playlist, you can easily see it's Up on Money Laundering Hill, Tax Break OST version, and Tax Fraud. Tax Fraud. Exactly as you expected. But if you put nothing, it will automatically download every single video. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If hopefully you like the program, do with it as you will. Just make sure you follow the law. Don't use it for anything illegal and whatnot. Only copy videos that are that you've gotten permission from whoever. Just follow the law, follow the YouTube, TOS, whatever, and do what you're supposed to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you want to comment to let me know, if any any changes, I don't know, maybe you want something else in there. If I have the time, I might add it in later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Oops.